All right. Welcome, little champions. I hope you had an awesome weekend, little ones, little champs. We're gonna have a look at some rugby tips by myself, Gerard Swarts. I want to take a game where we played against Bergland, Laerskool Bergland in the orange. Laerskool Laerveld, we are in blue and red. Okay, so this was from a kickoff. Okay, rock was formed there. Okay, remember, once a rock, always a rock. Remember that, little ones, champs. All right. Okay. This is a snippet from the under 9A team from Laerskool Laerveld against Laerskool Bergland, and Laerskool Laerveld was victorious. The under 9A team over Bergland, and well done, well done. All right, what I want to show you guys and focus a little bit on a few aspects, and I want you guys to pay close attention like you would in classroom. Okay, let's have a look at our players. Remember, we are blue and red. Here we are. Yeah, we are. Okay, we kicked off. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look. We made a tackle. Okay, what happened? Boom. Okay, let's have a look at our defense here. Okay, let's go a little bit on. Boom. Okay, have a look here. How many of our players is in a radius of about 5 to 7 meters? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10. Alright. 10 in a radius of 5 to 7 meters. Okay, we are all far behind the rock. First of all, we are far behind the rock. We only have to be at the last man's feet of the rock. Okay, and what we want is, we want a straight line. Okay, we call that line integrity. Okay, when we want to go into a straight line, whether it is from kick-off defense or general defense when we play, we have to scream lines, 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 lines. Lines like, for example, I am drawing a line. That is why we have to call lines, because we want a straight line like this. Okay, then we are close to the touch line, all right? Touch line. So we only need 2 players this side of the rock. 1, 2. All right. The rest of us, we have to be on this side of the rock, and we have to have spacing. Okay, we've got pillar 1 and another pillar this side. So pillars is the first guy that is next to or just behind the rock. Okay, then he will go for the number 9. He will go for the number 1. Pillar 1 will go for the pick and go player, and the second guy will go for the number 9. The rest of us, we will have line speed, so we will run up to this side, and we will go and defend. In this scenario, we weren't in a straight line, and there wasn't spacing between us. Right, we need to have at least 1.5 till 2 meter spacing between us. Please, little champs, we need that. Okay. If they, luckily, Bergland kicked the ball away here, but if they needed to play their backline, then we were in trouble, because nobody was here where my mouse is in the defense line to tackle them. Okay, gents, That is very, very vital. And let's take away two crucial things. The first thing is that we must be in a line. Everybody must be in a line. We can't bunch like this. We look like sheep that just runs after each other, behind each other. Okay. And then we need spacing between 1.5 and 2 meters spacing. Okay. And if we want spacing, we call it. And we call spacing, spacing, spacing. And lines, 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 lines. Okay, guys. So that is for today what we want and what we will focus on. You must have a lovely evening. That is me, Gerard Swarts, and we will see each other again.